So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on Binance. So here's how it works. First you create a regular account on Binance, then you will want to hover over futures and select USDM futures. Once you click on it, then here you will see this graph and more. So select more, and at the very bottom you will see demo trading. Click it. Once you select that option, it is going to take you to the demo trading page. Here Binance provides you with demo trading and a demo trading environment to experience spot or contracts trading. Here you will agree to the terms, so you want to click on start demo trading. Once you click on that option, like I said, Binance is going to load up this graph, and here you can just experiment and basically get experience if you don't have enough experience. And once you are ready to go back to the live trading section, you will click on go back to live, so click right over here, and that is how you do it. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe.